So this is my employee information. Okay, now look at here. There are several data are available here. So if you want to delete one by one, you can click on this. Okay, but if you want to delete all the records from your database table, you can click on this. All item will be selected, or you can choose one by one. Just click here. Okay. Now, so to perform this action, you need to create your database. Go to Code, open models.py. So this is my database model whose name is admin at employee. There are several columns names. First column name is employee ID, and the last one employee joining here, and this is the employee joining date. Okay. This is date time field, and I have set auto now at is equal to true. Okay. Uh, Date will be added dynamically. Okay. Now go to edit employee.html. Okay. This is my main employee update.html, and this method is post and action. This is the action for delete all. So I want to delete all the records, and to delete all the records from here, click on delete button. Okay. So this is the main HTML form whose method is post and action is a deleter. There is a table, and this is the raw information, and I have added also two button. First one is delete. This is for input for checkbox whose ID is check all and input text. Okay, and data will be fetched using this comma from your database. Okay, this is the second row, and I have added two link. First one is edit, second one is delete. As like this, edit and delete. Okay, and third one is for checkbox whose value will be n.id. Okay, and name my checkbox. So if you want to click on this, all item will be selected. So how to do it? Okay, for this action you need to create JavaScript. Okay, and this is the JavaScript format. Here in the function. Okay, this is check all. Where is it? Go up, and this is the table heading. Checkbox whose ID is check all, and this is okay. ID is check all, and another table row data per second whose class name is check item. Okay. Now if this is set, okay. If I click on this, all item will be selected. So how to do it? For this, if first one is set, okay. then all the items will be checked for checkbox. Okay, the second idea. And otherwise, item checkbox item will be false. Okay, so this is for select all checkbox. Now go to urls.py. Okay, look for this, and this is path of a deleter. Okay, and this is the view section, and I have given a name deleter, and this deleter is used in this section. Okay, look at here for action. I have used deleter. This means this is appeared in the part of this part. Okay, now go to view section. Views that admin multiple delete data. I want to delete all the information from table. So go to views, add this multiple delete data, and this is my views file. Okay, now find out the admin multiple delete data. Okay, this is my function name. Okay, and I have used request and ID where ID is equal to null. So I have given a condition if request dot method is equal to post. Okay, look at here. For method is post. Okay, with views post is available, then all ID will be get. Okay, all ID will be gotten by this command request post and get list my segment, and this is the variable name where I have used in this section. Go down and look at here, and this is the checkbox where I have given a name my checkbox. Okay, so this will be called by views the py section. My checkbox. So I have used a for loop for this action get id in get id new. Okay, then I have given a variable whose name is contact data, and this is the admin and employee model. Okay, and this is my model name, and that variable will receive all ID from your database, and that will be selected by you. If I click on this item will be selected, and ID will be gotten by variable my checkbox. Okay, if ID, this is the database ID. Okay, and this is my new ID is equal to, then contact data dot delete, then item will be deleted. Okay, then it redirects to my page. So this is the main thing to delete all items or delete one by one, and here id is equal to none. Okay, so this is my views part, and this is my url path, and this is my employee update html. Carefully, method is post, and this is action, and name is delete all. We see reference with the URL in this section, name, delete, and this is my table information. Okay, I have used a button delete. Okay, then this is the checkbox. Okay, and I have set a variable on. This is the table heading. This is the first row of the table, and for the second row of the table, this this information will be fetched from your database. I have used a follow contact data and contact data. How to find your contact data? Okay, so if you want to see how to get all the information from table is contact data. For this, go to use the fact find out is how to paste all the information. Okay, look at this, and this is the page function. Okay, admin update request contact data. Always receive all the information from your database. This model name and object all data will be gotten by this variable. After that, the variable is passed to the main admin employee update HTML. Okay, so go to your browser, then paste. If I click on this, this item will be deleted. Okay, item is deleted. But I want to delete three items. Just click on this and click on delete. After click on this, three item will be deleted. Okay, you can delete all item by click on this option. Okay, so set item is deleted. So thank you and thank you everybody. If you want to know and have a question, just type your question in comment box. Okay. Yeah, sorry for if you didn't my language because I'm trying to